Good evening, traders. I am Stock Analyzer from the StockHideout.com, and this evening we are going to update you on the IDCN weekly chart. Now, in my opinion, this chart is setting up for a very big run, possibly, and there's a few reasons why I believe that, and I'm going to tell you that right now. First of all, if you go back here in August, September, October of last year, November, the stock was basically trading at 0001, 0002. The stock started to get some volume, and as you can see, it exploded from 0001 all the way up to 0031, representing over 1,000%, I'm sorry, a 3,000% gain. The stock has since pulled all the way back, came to support at 0002, and we've basically seen a consolidation phase. What that means is after a huge run, the stock naturally pulls back. Once it's done selling off, the stock will trade sideways for a while before it moves back up. And that's just kind of its resting phase, or its consolidation phase as we call it. In this phase, we like to look for minimal selling volume. And if you look down here at the volume bars from basically July to October, you'll see that the red days are very minimal. Every now and again, you'll see a fairly decent weekly buying volume like we see here. So what that means is new interest is coming into the stock. I personally have been accumulating shares at 0003, 0004. I believe that once this stock breaks 0006, it could be set up for a huge run. Here's another reason why I think this weekly chart is setting up for a really big run. The weekly RSI 10 is about to break the 50 line. The last time we went above the 50 line was back in December. At that point, the stock was trading right around 0003, 0004. It went all the way up to about 85 over the course of the next several weeks, and at that point, we were already up at 0028. The MACD, for the first time, the black is above the red since back in February, where again the stock went from 0003 all the way up to 0031. What we have here is we have a positive divergence on the MACD line. The MACD crossed above the red signal line and has since been increasing every week for the past 16 weeks, and we are approaching the zero line. I believe that over the next couple weeks, once that MAC breaks over the zero line, IDCN will hopefully at that point be pressing up near the 0006, possibly the 0008. And once that line is broken, I think the 0006 and 0008, once that's broken, number one, you've eliminated the flippers. Flippers will tend to stay in the stock when it's down here at its young stages. At that point, once they realize that there is some pretty good power coming into the stock based off the weekly chart, based off the daily chart, based off the volume, I think you have people that tend to hold a little bit longer. They're not going to flip for 1/1000th of a penny anymore. So I think once we break 0006, the only other minor resistance at that point is 0008, and the reason why I say minor is because the weekly volume, relatively speaking to how it was back here in February, March, and April, is really low. So I think we break through the 0006 and the 0008 with ease. And I think once we break that point, the only other points that I see on the chart as resistance would be 0018 and 0031. So solid support at 0003 and 0002 lately, resistance at 0006, 0008, and I think both of those are minor. I think once we break 0008, the stock has a huge amount of upward momentum going, just like it did before. We go 0018 and 0031 as resistance number 3 and 4. I think this is the exact same setup as that we saw back here late in 2009. Same setup, consolidation, break upwards. This time we have a pullback, consolidation, looking for that break upwards. If you have any questions about IDCN, you can come check us out at StockHideout.com, and remember, I do have a position in IDCN, and I am looking to continue to accumulate the 0003s and 0004s and hold for a break of 0008 and possibly a test of 0018 and 0031. As always, good luck and happy trading.